talking to the original owner, no accidents. He just verified the whole car, the way it's sat.
It's perfect though, because it's got a little bit of character to it that you can tell it hasn't been restored. It is an original car, which means a lot. I've got my name and number on the car. I'm walking around here with my family, and I get a phone call. Hey Kyle, this is Stan. Hey Stan, how are you? Stan here bought the car from the original owner. It's a strange, small coincidence that the world's so small that we would meet here at Barrett-Jackson's.
And there's a sticker in the front window, 1977 sticker.
Registration sticker.
And it showed 16,900 and something miles in 77. So he probably just parked it.
We're 29, Cobra Jet, J-Code. I mean, it's an amazing car. Just even not yellow on red, the car by itself is an amazing car. And then being a one-on-one.
With factory air.
With factory air, yeah. Beautiful car. Yeah, we're excited.
Yeah.
Thanks for riding along. More cool content only on Muscars with Eric.